Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in today's video I'll be doing the unboxing and I'll be setting up the backdrop for my YouTube studio. And this is the backdrop that is manufactured by a brand called Hiffin. Hiffin is a brand which is specialists in manufacturing the photographic equipment such as studio lights, tripods, the backdrops as such. And this product is black in color. It also comes in green, white colors as well, and the product link is available in the description. This is the box package of the Hiffin backdrop for the YouTube studio, and one of the package contains this muslin cloth which is black in color, and the second package actually contains our tripod stands and also the center rod on which we will have to be hanging this muslin cloth. This cloth is actually of a very good quality and it is really soft and clean as well. So next thing is we'll be going ahead and opening the box package of this rod and the tripod stands, and we also get this thank you card, and also we get this instructions on how to assemble. This instruction is very important, guys. Please read this carefully so that you'll be able to understand even better along with the video reference that I'm giving today. So I'll be going ahead and installing the backdrop for my studio, and I'll be giving a detailed instructions on how to install this backdrop. These are the two tripod stands, and this is one rod that has three different connectors, and these three different connectors will be helpful to hang the muslin cloth or the black backdrop. This is the first tripod stand, which is the left one, and I'll be opening the tripod stand and I'll be showing you guys how you have to set up as per the height that you need. You can actually set this up for 3 foot, 6 foot or up to 9 foot as well. It can go up to 9 feet in the height of this stand. You have to just expand the legs of this tripod and you'll have to set in a position where you want this backdrop to be set. There is a lock or the clamp which has to be locked in order to make sure that this tripod stand will be firmly present on the ground. The clamps that is present in the tripod is actually helpful in order to adjust the height of the tripod based on your preference, either for a 3 feet or 6 feet or up to 9 feet. It has rubber shoes under the tripod with the help of which you can get perfect grip when you're placing this tripod on a surface. Once you're okay with the height of the tripod, go ahead and lock the height or the pole of this tripod using the clamp that has been provided. The clamp is actually very strong and it can completely take the weight of the muslin cloth or the backdrop that is going to be hanged on the pole that is coming on the tripod. The same thing has to be repeated for the right tripod as well. This is the right tripod, guys. There is a left tripod and there is a right tripod. Both the tripods, the bottom of the tripod, the clamps and the height, everything has to be adjusted based on your preference. I'm currently using a 6 foot setup, guys. It can go up to 9 feet as well. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and set up both the tripods and I'll show you a overview of how it is looking once it is completely set up. As you can see, this is how both the tripods, when it has been set up for a 6 foot setup, is present. So this is a 6 foot condition as of now, guys. You can expand it and increase the height up to 9 feet as well, but for me 6 foot is enough, and hence I have kept it as such. So this is the top clamp, guys. Using this top clamp, what you can do is you can expand the length of the tripod or the height of this tripod even more. In certain conditions, if you're having even taller people and you want to take photographs of taller people, or you want 9 foot setup, then you can use or expand this up to 9 feet also. This is how it will look. Actually, it is almost touching the roof of the studio. So that's why I'm using the 6 foot condition as of now. And now I'll be going ahead and opening the center rod for the tripod. So as you guys can see, this is the center rod of the tripod, guys. This is the screw head, guys, and the screw. Both the center rods has to be interlocked and it has to be tightened. So there is a hole in one of the pole and there is screw end on the other end of the pole. We will have to interlock them. And there is this muslin cloth, right? And in the end of the muslin cloth, there will be this hole. Inside that hole, you will have to insert that center rod. So this is how it will look once you have inserted the muslin cloth over the center rod, and it can withstand the weight also. The next thing that we have to do is to mount this center rod on our tripod. On the left end of the tripod and also on the right end of the tripod, there is this screw head, guys. On the screw head, what you have to do is you have to insert this hole and you have to tighten the screw. It's a very simple process, guys. The pole has a hole on both the left side and on the right side, inside which the screw has to be inserted, guys. So the screw head is actually present on your tripod, and on the pole you will find this small holes that is important in order to insert this screw head. Once the screw head has been inserted, you have to tighten this screws like this. Make sure the screw is completely tight because wobble effect should not come when you are placing the backdrop. So this is how it will look once the entire setup is ready. It looks clean, it looks neat, and make sure that you remove the wrinkles by expanding the curtain to the edges so that it will look really clean and professional for your videos. You can use it for photography purposes, you can use it for videography purposes, and you can use it for any product photography as well. For my setup, this is the tripod for my camera, and there is my center table, guys. This is the center table where I'll be sitting and I'll be explaining the videos, and there is my chair, and behind me is the backdrop, and in the video black color background will be visible, which will look really good and professional. I don't have a big studio or something, guys. It is a very small studio. It is actually a single room, and on one side there is yellow color background, and on the other side it was having a white background. Hence what I decided is I will have this backdrop, which is a black color backdrop, which will actually look really professional as well. For some videos I'll be sitting on the yellow color side, and for some videos I'll be sitting on the black color background. You can actually fold this muslin cloth's edges and you can put it behind or reverse it so that you will not trip over when you are actually walking in your studio. And this backdrop will actually be helpful for a lot of purposes, guys. Whether it is taking your thumbnails, whether it is doing product photography, product videography, or whether you are sitting and explaining some videos, or whether you are doing some regular photography, or you want to shoot some photos with a very plain background and then change the background later. For that purpose also, this backdrop will be very helpful, and it serves the purpose of making videos professional. It will actually enhance the quality of your videos because the setup looks really neat. If you want a green screen, that too is available, and the link for purchasing is present in the description. The overall weight of this packaging, it actually weighs around 4.5 kilograms. You can actually carry it if you want to shoot somewhere outdoors, or if you want to move from a room to a studio, or to your home to a studio or something like that. You can actually easily carry this around because it is just around 4.5 kilograms. And the material that is used in the rods or in the tripod is actually heavy aluminum, and hence the durability is also very good. One important thing that I noticed during the unboxing of this is the product was kind of worn out in terms of the painting. The paint that was put on the aluminum rod was kind of worn out. You might have also observed in this video. The interlocking system is fantastic. This is pretty much it with respect to the unboxing and setup of this backdrop for the YouTube videos or photography purposes. If you are a YouTuber or if you are having a studio, then this is one of the must-haves in terms of improving the quality of your videos. If you want to purchase this, the product link will be present in the description. If you purchase from that link, it will certainly help the channel. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.